What's up, Tropiclan? In today's video, I'm going to be doing another review on Gorgius wigs. In this video, I'm going to be installing their high density, messy curly wig with bangs. Like usual, in your Gorgius wig box, you get a wig cap and a cute little Gorgius pouch with bobby pins, hair clips, and even tweezers. So before I apply the wig, I'll be putting on the wig cap to ensure that my hair lays as flat as possible. Now I'll be taking the wig out of this really pretty bag, and the wig came pre-highlighted. This is how the wig looks right after taking it out of the bag, and it looks a little bit compact, but all you need to do is shake out the curl. It's really that easy. The curls become all fluffed out and the wig looks great. Here I'm just showing you guys the elastic the wig has. It even has clips on the inside for security. It has one at the back and then there are two on the sides. After putting it on, I really loved how the wig looked. It really had a casual, flowy boho vibe. The highlights made the color look so warm and it complemented my skin tone. So this is the exact same color I first wanted my hair to be. So having this wig allows me to try out a new hair color without having to do anything to my natural hair. The best thing about this wig is that you don't even need any products to style the curls. You can literally just take it out the bag, shake it out, and wear it as it is. This wig is perfect for those girls like me who don't know how to slay lace wigs yet. But since it is coming closer to the winter months, our natural hair needs protection. So having this wig to just pop on is perfect for us. I love the way this looks, but I really wanted to try out another style. So here I'm going to be taking two small scrunchies and just making two little pigtails right behind the bangs. So this is my final look. Check out Gorgius wigs if you want to get this same exact wig. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!